Carolyn, go ahead. You can just unmute yourself.
Yeah. Um, yeah, it's nice to be able to reflect how I was in this um, open house a year ago. And now I'm thinking about how going through the journey code through the winter was actually one of the most uplifting, transformational winters I've ever had. I actually enjoyed winter and fall and spring because I was finally learning the the way that I really wanted to help people, which was like you best said it, like not in that intrusive, assuming, analytical way that I realized I had really been used to um, doing and trying to figure things out constantly and have answers. Um, so I have really felt like I've come to this place now where I can truly help people in a very quick, uh, a really quick way. I had a training in hypnotherapy because I was very interested in how we can upgrade our perception and get our energetic fields flowing again and have more health. And this was actually the missing piece for me was that we could do this work purely with questions, so that someone could instantly have a perceptual upgrade, and it was truly coming from their deepest knowing. And every time it happened for me, I was just completely blown away at um, how transformative this work was for me. And I came to know things about how I've been being for decades, how that's affected my energy field, and I'm much more aware of my own body and my own energetic field than I ever was. I'm way more embodied than I've ever been. And so there's been some really, really deep healing and awareness available for me through this work. And it's like now I get to, do the hero thing and return the elixir to the people because yeah, it's all what I've always wanted to be able to provide quickly for people who are suffering.
That's so beautiful. And congratulations to Carolyn, who's not only graduated Journey Code, but also has joined the apprenticeship. So we're pretty excited to work with you this year. We've already got a little head start. And